1989, a 5-4 decision was made in the courts of Texas. They stated burning the American flag was a political protest that is protected by the First Amendment. The ruling invalidated flag desecration laws in 48 states that sparked a national debate. Defendant Gregory Lee Johnson wanted to appeal his convictions to the state of Texas. In the case, the opposing party was Gregory Lee Johnson. With the court's decision, Gregory won the case. William J. Brenan Jr. wrote the formal majority opinion and was joined by 4 other justices. The Republican National Convention of 1984, under President Regan's policies in local corporations, political demonstrations like marches occurred. Gregory Lee Johnson participated as both forms of protesting in the states of Dallas. Dallas City Hall had a flagpole in an area with the removed American flag. Gregory poured kerosene on the flag, then sparked a fire amongst the American flag. Citizens chanted, "America, the red, white, and blue, we spit on you," in forms of protesting. Witnesses reported to the police they felt offended by the situation. Gregory got arrested and charged for violating Texas state law that prohibited desecration of veneer object in terms of the American flag. He was sentenced to a year in Dallas County Jail, then given a $2,000 bond, which he appealed as a given conviction that the First Amendment protected. Next, Texas Court of Criminal Justices overturned the conviction. Then Texas State appealed it to the U.S Supreme Court, setting a higher stage for the landmark ruling. Many constitutional questions were raised to determine if the situation went against the First Amendment, if it stopped people from expressing unpopular ideas, and if it was expressive conduct or symbolic speech. The majority opinion marked Johnson's conviction as unconstitutional. Courts also supported the fact that burning the American flag in the way of expressive conduct is alright and it is protected by the First Amendment. The attempts to ban it didn't get too far because of the offensive conduct. Although the government is prohibited from dictating how the flag is used and expressed, justices decided Gregory didn't break the law. The court stated if you found it disagreeable or took it deeply offensive, it is expressive conduct protected by the U.S. Constitution for citizens. This event is labeled as a strength to help with the nation. It's also labeled as national unity and not against Gregory's right. The case protects our right and protests and confirms that freedom of speech is part of the First Amendment and is protected by the First Amendment, resulting in strengthened free expression prosecutions of the First Amendment, and showcase the principle of the government inability to suppress speech of unpopular or offensive conclusions. The choice caused a widespread and outrage of political debates nationwide. For the indecisiveness of the ways to respect national symbols and protect one's rights. The understanding of patriotism and American citizenship fled through the economy.